Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
The PSEi briefly touched the psychological resistance at 7,000 last week. However, it seems that sellers have started taking profits as the index struggles to rally past the said resistance. The PSEi is now consolidating within a small band near the high it recently made, and we will see this week if it can stay above the short-term support or the uptrend line drawn from the low of August 5, 2024. If the index stays above this, then it is highly likely that our target of 7,070 will be reached.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Globe Telecom Incorporated. GLO continues to keep its uptrend intact as proven in the last trading day of the previous week. The stock is currently trading at 2,228, and we see an opportunity for a swing trade if we buy at the said level, banking on the view that the stock may rebound off the support. If the anticipated rebound happens, we estimate that the stock may reach 2,478, which presents a potential upside of 11%. For risk management, set your stop level at 2,168 or below the support of the uptrend channel.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.